Girl, kung virtual assistant ka, dapat hindi ka nahuhuli sa Zoom. Earlier, I just had my training with my mentees and I realized, okay, meron pa rin mga tao na hindi marunong gumamit ng Zoom. So here's a quick tutorial para hindi na kayo ma-stress, lalo na kapag dumating na ang client meetings. First, i-download nyo muna yung Zoom app, then sign up gamit ang Gmail, and libre lang to. Yes, actually, Zoom gamit ko pagre-record nito. Siyempre, sa mismong Zoom, ayusin nyo yung profile niyo. Clear picture, pangalan mo. Again, hindi cutie pie, 1, 2, 3, please. Now, pwede ka mag-schedule ng meetings with clients or click the link lang kung may invite ka na. Guys, kapag may meeting kayo, make sure na nandun na kayo mga 10-15 minutes before the meeting to be able to test the audio and the camera kasi walang kliyente na may patience kapag nalilate tayo. Now, in terms of meeting etiquette, stay muted unless tawagin kayo or kapag hindi kayo nagsasalita, mag-mute na lang kayo para maiwasan yung maririnig yung background niyo. Look at the cam, hindi sa mukha nyo sa baba para mas engaging tingnan. And in case that you decide that you want to record the meeting, make sure you ask for the client's permission first. I've seen a lot of VAs sharing yung picture or itsura ng client nila. Make sure that you actually have permission to share that. Also, if you want to record the meeting, sometimes you have to ask for the permission of kung sino man yung nag-setup ng meeting para hindi kayo nalilito sa notes. That would be really helpful. But again, you have to ask for permission first. And ready ka na for your first client call. If you guys are interested, we have a free general virtual assistance training para client. Ready ka na? It's right at bloggymarygroup.com. Libre to, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-sign up. You can access it freely anytime. Now, my question is, are there any other tools na gusto ninyong i-discuss ko or gawin ko ng tutorial? I-comment nyo lang yan siya dyan sa baba. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye!